Welcome to Foglight Video Solutions. This video will detail how to use the log monitor with a SQL Server Error Log. My name is John Sakalauskas, and I'm a technical product specialist for the Foglight product. The infrastructure cartridge includes FIleLogMonitor functionality that can be used to create a FIleLogMonitorAgent that can monitor the SQL Server Error Log for messages outside the scope of the SQL Server Error Log monitoring. The requirements include: an infrastructure agent must be configured and monitoring the remote host. A SQL Server instance must be installed on the server. For Windows, either a WinRM or DCOM WMI connection can be used. If using DCOM WMI, then additional registry configuration may be required for command line access to the remote host, as per knowledge base article 65870. Consult the Foglight for Infrastructure Cartridge Guide for the most current instructions on how to create a log monitor agent. Navigate to Infrastructure Log Monitor in the navigation. Click the File Log Monitor button or link. In the pop-up that displays, choose an agent manager from the pull-down menu. Enter a new agent name or click the Generate Name checkbox. Click Next. In the new pop-up panel that appears, click the View button in the Monitored Hosts row. In the Agent Property List panel for the log hosts, click the Edit button. Click the Add button to add one or more hosts. Fill in the fields, including the host name and the host type, Unix or Windows. The other fields are optional. Then click the Save button when complete. Click the View button in the Log Files row. In the Agent Property List panel for the log files, click the Edit button. Click the Add button to add a location and file name pattern monitor. Fill in the directory, file name pattern, and file format name fields. The directory should be the location of the SQL Server Error Log on the remote host. The file name regular expression pattern can include the name of the file or characters in the file name. For SQL Server Error Logs, Error Log will match all error log files in the specified folder. Click the Save button when complete. Click the View button in the Patterns row. In the Agent Property List panel for the record patterns, click the Edit button. Click the Add button to add a location and file name pattern monitor. Enter a regular expression match pattern to match text in the error log and a match severity for the alarm. Adding a tag is optional. Click the Save button when complete. Click the View button in the File Format row. Click the Edit button to edit the row for the default log file format. Move the slider to the right to be able to edit the character set value. Change the character set value from UTF-8 to UTF-16. Click the Save button. Click the Next button. Click the Next button after validating the credentials. Review the configuration and click the Finish button. Click the Close button after the agent has been created. In Administration Agent Status, a new FIleLogMonitorAgent will now be present. After a few minutes, matching messages from the SQL Server error log should be seen in the Infrastructure Log Monitor page. Alarms that match the criteria set in the FileLogMonitorAgent configuration will be fired. To learn more about Foglight, visit us at support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us at Quest Experts on Twitter.